Ever you wondered whether the Earth is globe or flat? Of course, most of you will say, what a dumb question. We all learned that the Earth is globe since primary school. But what if it is flat? What if we don't know anything about the truth behind Earth? What if the only organization that took photos of Earth from space lies to us? And why the United Nations logo like that? Now, think twice. Is the Earth globe or flat? For many years people believed that the Earth was flat. Even thousands of years ago the Sumerians, which were one of the most intelligent societies who invented the writing, thought that the Earth was flat. The flat Earth theory was developed in 1893 by Orlando Ferguson, a real estate developer based in South Dakota. He drew a map of the Earth that combined biblical and scientific knowledge in a unique way and highlighted it by his belief that the Earth was flat. Ferguson's map represents the Earth as a giant, rectangular slab with a dimpled upper surface. People believed this theory for many years, but a man called Eratosthenes proved that the Earth is a globe hundreds of years ago. Eratosthenes was a Greek mathematician, geographer, poet, astronomer, and music theorist. He was a man of learning, becoming the chief librarian at the Library of Alexandria. Eratosthenes had heard that in Syene, a city south of Alexandria, no vertical shadows were cast at noon on the summer solstice. The sun was directly overhead. He wondered if this were also true in Alexandria. So, on June 21 he planted a stick directly in the ground and waited to see if a shadow would be cast at noon. It turns out there was one. And it measured about 7 degrees. Now, if the sun's rays are coming in at the same angle at the same time of day, and a stick in Alexandria is casting a shadow while a stick in Syene is not, it must mean that the Earth's surface is curved. Since the difference in shadow length is 7 degrees in Alexandria and Syene, that means the two cities are 7 degrees apart on Earth's 360-degree surface. Eratosthenes hired a man to pace the distance between the two cities and learned they were 5,000 stadia apart, which is about 800 kilometers. He could then use simple proportions to find the Earth's circumference. 7.2 degrees is 1 over 50 of 360 degrees, so 800 times 50 equals 40,000 kilometers. And just like that, a man 2,200 years ago found the circumference of our entire planet with just a stick in his brain. So if you still think that the Earth is flat, think twice.